Kelsey, hello, John Mandela here with some feedback for Module 8 assignment. And, the deeper we go into this project, the more confused I get. Um, the first thing is, okay, it's called the Hybrid Cleaner Bot. Alright, fine, that's the name, the Hybrid Cleaner Bot. You have different capitalizations of it, and different every time you write it, but whatever. Then there's Universal Green Cleaning Services. So my question is Universal Green Cleaning Services the name of the company that produces the Hybrid Cleaner Bot? Or is Universal Green Cleaning Services like the name of a general cleaning service, something like Mary Maids or Stanley Steamer or what have you, and they just so happen to be big advocates of the Hybrid Cleaner Bot? Now, part of me thinks that'd be a little weird considering people had a Hybrid Cleaner Bot that probably wouldn't need green cleaning services at all or as often, and so it seems weird to kind of promote those. It's like a gas station that promotes an extremely fuel-efficient vehicle. The other thing, I'm reading the content, and it's written from a first-person point of view, from a very kind of like personal point of view, right? So this Hybrid Cleaner Bot just recently started this past year, and the idea came from seeing all the ads commercials for these cleaning robots that are for different services and purposes. I wanted to come up with, not Sith, something sort of new and sort of old, whatever that means, that people have used before but were for more than one purpose. Okay, so it's redundant in the first sentence. I chose the idea of Hybrid Cleaner Bot, which cleans surfaces are like you're kind of writing this like it's a junior high science project. Like it's not like this is not how a website will be written. Maybe like a review blog, something like, hey, like here's what I think about the Hybrid Cleaner Bot, like it does this and this, but honestly I think this, and it should be more like this. Those people want that kind of personal, first-hand experience and first-person point of view when they're reading a review or watching a video about something. But if it's the company that is actually like selling it or promoting it, then like they shouldn't write about it so personally. Like, I came up with the idea, and it seemed like this, and I was thinking of this, and maybe that, like, it is what it is. Like, that's how these things are written, right? If you go to, like, Apple.com, look up, the latest iPhone, it's not like, well, one day Steve Jobs was sitting around, and he had this idea, and here's what he was thinking. It was kind of neat. He ran it past his friend, and his friend said this. No, it's like the iPhone 8 does this. Period. Like, it just says it straight. It's cold? Yes. It's direct? Yes. It's blunt? Perhaps. But it's also very, like, extremely clear. And it's very serious, and it's still very alluring, kind of in its confidence to be that straight and that serious, right? This, is it pleasant and polite? Yeah, I guess, yes, but, like, it doesn't seem like it's an actual professional website, right? I think the second half of it, talking about the chemicals and the tools and everything like that, etc. But then it says, here are some images of the cleaning chemicals that we I think you mean use, and the surface types that they can be used on. So I just am so very confused. Like, so now we're promoting Greenworks and all their family of products. This doesn't work. This doesn't, like, this is, like, all over the place. Like, yes, there are labels, like, for all the different hard flooring types, for the wood flooring and fake wood flooring types, for the carpeting types. Yeah, they're labeled, but they're all different kinds of labeling, they're all different sizes, they're all different shapes, all different arrangements. All these images have white around them, which looks kind of tacky, to be honest, against the green background, that's a super wide text measure, which makes it difficult to read, even though it is a big, bold font size. The text runs right up to the edge of that green box. There's no inset spacing, which in Photoshop you just do manually, but still, like, it's nothing there, so it's just like, it's very hard in the eyes. Contact isn't even spelled correctly in the main navigation. I don't know why all that's italics. Clean with purpose that is safe for family and the environment is a very awkwardly constructed sentence with a blue quote mark on the left and a black quote mark on the right. This just isn't there yet. It's really like I think the ideas are all good. They're all innocently good ideas, but they're not coming. Like I would ask you this, Kelsey. Kelsey, does this look like a website that you would visit? Like, does this look like a website that you would see online today, 2018, February, March, whatever? Like, does this look like a website you would look at? And if you came upon a website like this today, 2018, would you stay or would you leave? And so you want to design this as close to the real deal as humanly possible. All right, let's look at another page. And so here's some reviews. And okay, the YouTube embeds. I don't know why they're stretched out a little bit, but whatever, they're there. Maybe they're not stretched out. But, robot purpose video, robot review. Why is that text like just crashing right on top of the video? Why is it stuck to the very bottom of that green box? This green box does have some inset, which is nice, but it's still way too wide. Way too wide. That's got to be about 1,400 pixels wide. Or 1,300 pixels wide. It's super wide. All right? And then effectiveness is spelled incorrectly. Have customers already interested in giving great reviews for their money. So I think this is still written far too much like in a personal point of view. Okay. The grammar needs to be tightened up. Total cost is $200 package, which includes chemicals. That's awkwardly constructed in the middle there. Monthly plan in paying $20 for 10 months. Okay. Why is information not bold? It's green and italic. Why is it not bold? Then here again with no inset. Here are some links to learn more about this CleanerBot and site for ordering. Well, site for ordering, if I'm the user, like, isn't this the site where I order one? I'm reading all about it. Isn't this the site where I would get one? But apparently not. You can still links learn more about it in site for ordering, but I don't know which one's which. The long, super long URLs. I don't really want to see a super long URL. I just want to see maybe an article title. Click. That'll take me to that website. Maybe purchase CleanerBot from here. You click on that and it takes me to the website. I don't really want to see a long URL from the end user. So it looks like, it's really long, and I have to copy and select that, copy it, paste it. Hopefully I get it all correctly because I'm off. It's going to take me to the wrong page or error out or something like that. And the bottom thing, if you're visiting my site, it should be period. If there, needs to be spelled correctly. If there are any questions you have, comma, or concerns, comma, please head over to the contact page where we have our number, comma, email, comma, and place to leave comments, period. And then why at the bottom does it say Arial font size 72 and 48? So, I just think about it this way, Kelsey. Do you want this to go in your portfolio, this project? Do you want it to go in your portfolio? I'm not saying that you have to. I'm not saying that you can't. I'm saying, do you want it to? And if the answer is yes, I would like my web layout from this course, User Experience Design, to go into my design portfolio. Then you're going to have to design it in a way that looks like you mean it. This seems very kind of slapped together, especially this page, which probably has the most genuine, innocent desire and thought behind it. But it's just slapped together. Are things aligned? Yes, but it's so awkward. I don't even think this information really needs. I guess you could have imagery, but this has to be arranged a lot better than what it is right now. Okay, and it's confusing because there's Hybrid CleanerBot, there's Universal Green Cleaning Services, and now GreenWorks, and it's like, which brand is the site? It seems Universal Green Cleaning Services. What the heck is Universal Green Cleaning Services? Because I go to About, all it's about is this Hybrid CleanerBot and all the different surfaces it can clean. So then I think, well, why isn't the website just called CleanerBot, Hybrid CleanerBot? So I'm just confused and underwhelmed. So if I'm misunderstanding something, certainly, please let me know, and I'll be happy to kind of rethink about it. But I don't necessarily want it to be anything like what Ms. Mendiola wants. I want it to be the best thing that you have in mind, and make what the ideas you have, Kelsey, and build on them to make them the best they can be. Not only the ideas, but also the writing for them, because the writing needs a lot of help. There's a lot of errors. And the imagery, like, and the design, all these, I want to take your ideas and help you make them the best they can be. It's your portfolio, after all, not mine. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Thank you.